Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the regular puzzle. We have one puzzle left in today's newspaper of Thursday, July the 11th, 2024. News of today, I've told you earlier, Holland has lost the game. Holland, England, 2-1, yes. European Championship. Alright, we have 3 regular puzzles. 2 of them I've already solved. It's time for the tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. In the evening, I will do the additional. There are 7 puzzles, but 4 of them I will solve. But let me continue with this one, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic, and this will be number 8880. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. I think it's a 0 stars, maybe a 1 star. 0 stars, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. For 1 star, faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated with the 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Yeah. Question is this a 3 stars, a 1 star, 0 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is a 1. Only one single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Let me check for dual boxes. No dual boxes in this puzzle. How about triple boxes? I see here 1 triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a5. 4 or a5. Let me mark this. 4 or a5. Okay, more triple boxes in this puzzle. No, how about quarter boxes? I see here a quarter box in the L shape. In L shape, and we see a quarter shape. In L shape, quarter box in the L shape. Remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, is always a 5. The 5 is already placed here. Well, this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Here, another quarter box. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Same for here. Quarter box. Well, the numbers could be everywhere. Alright, then. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember. Oh, I've drawn this incorrectly. Should be here. Upside down. Well. Okay. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, do we have more of these kind of shapes in this puzzle? No. How about we have an L shape here? I mean, draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, the L shape. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? No. And then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. Where you see the T shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. In this case, we have a 5 here. Should be there also. Have the same number as that box. Here we have another T shape. This box has the same number as that box. And that box has the same number as this box. This case is a 2 here. And that case is a 4 or a 5. More T shapes. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. And that box has the same number as this box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright. Then, this box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this T-shaped area. Supposed to be here. One of the missing number in this T-shape is the number 1. Yeah. Here can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area. Supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Let me mark those. Okay. Here, in this T-shape. Oh, I've overlooked this T-shape. We have another T-shape. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Okay, this T-shape. Well, this box in this case is a 1 here, and that box should be a 2 here. So 2 numbers left here in this T-shape area for numbers 4 and 5. Okay. The L shape. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2, so one in this case is also a 2 here. Overlook this again. Okay. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 3 there. So no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. Okay. These 3 boxes surrounded 3. Surrounded 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left with a 3 in this cross area. Supposed to be there. Excuse me. Well. This box can be 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this cross area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Alright. Then. This box can be a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 5. And that box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. Alright. Then. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this quadra L shape. Supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 4. So the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this quadra L shape for number 1. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 3. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Alright. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. Surrounded 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. That means that though, wait. We have a quarter box here. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left with 3 in this quarter box supposed to be here. Then let me see, these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then these 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left with a 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 2. So the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 4. So the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box. So be also 2. That box is connected with this box. Should be a 4. So 1 box left in this area for number 3. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4, 1 and 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 4 and this quarter box should be here. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left with 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have a 2 there. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. So we also 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and 3 goes. Of course, this is connected with each other. Alright, we go down. Okay. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5. And that box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be a 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. Okay, 2 and 4 are left. Let me see. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, 2 numbers left in this area. 2 and 4. Okay, but this box can be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this quarter box for number 2. 2 and 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, told you. It should be a 0 stars. Not the 1 star, not the 3 stars. Okay. We solved it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again in the evening. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye-bye for now.